Hi friends, let's check the vacancies in the Hindustan Insecticides Limited 2020 recruitment. This is fixed tenure basis for the 2 years and further extendable up to the 1 year. And the post team is finance manager. Pay scale under will be 29,000 to 54,500. Place of posting will be Rasayani unit Maharashtra, and it is in Maharashtra. Maximum age limit is 45 years, that is below 45 years candidates can apply. Age relaxation is 3 years for OBC, that is up to 48 years, 5 years for SC or ST candidates, that is 50 for below 50 years. For SC ST, 10 years for the disability, that is 55 years below for the disability candidates. 5 years for the candidates who have already been domiciled in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Relaxation in the upper age limits to XSM or dependent, skilled or disabled, etc. Those who fulfills the prescribed forms may submit their application by the speed post or courier or the registered post. No other mode of the dispatch is acceptable, only speed post, courier or registered post. Attest with the recent passport size photograph, and DD application is rupees 590 payable on the DD payable at Hindustan HIL India Limited, Rasayani, Maharashtra. Applications may be pleased to address HIL India Limited, Rasayani, Raigad, Maharashtra. All the applicants must apply the application. You have to apply within 21 days from the notification published. The requirement details are given as follows: qualification and the experience. Finance manager. Who is eligible is the chartered accountant and the cost accountant with 12 years of experience, knowledge of SAP, working at least 2 years in the immediate lower pay scale of the rupees 24,900 to 50,500. Selection processes after screening the documents. Suitable number of the eligible candidates for the post shall be called. May consist the written test or interview, or that means written test or interview or only interview, whatever they will decide it. General terms and conditions for the post is fixed tenure and it is not against any permanent vacancy. The candidate must be working as on 31/7/2020. Appointments and placements. Candidate must have sound health. Selected candidates before joining required to get the medical certificate from civil surgeon from any central or state government. The cutoff date for determining age limit and post-qualification experience will be 31/7/2020. Non-refundable fee of rupees 590 is payable by the general and the OBC candidates in favor of the HIL Limited at Rasayani, Maharashtra for the above said post. This application you have to send only through the speed post, courier and the registered post. Besides, usual benefit like HRA, medical, etc. shall be payable as per the rules, except gratuity. Candidates employed in the government or the semi-government public sector undertaking autonomous, they have to give the no objection certificate. Shortlisted candidates will be individually informed through email. Applications which are incomplete details will be rejected. The candidates called for interview for the post of the finance manager on fixed term basis shall be reimbursed. That means they will give your train or bus expenses what you have kept to go the place. HIL Limited reserves the right to raise the minimum eligibility standards. HIL would be free to reject any applications at any stage of the recruitment process. Any amendment or notification alteration in the terms and conditions they can make. Right to restrict the number of posts or alter the eligibility criteria. Okay, HL reserves right to cancel the advertisement at any point of time. Candidates from PSUs should have at least 2 years experience in the immediate lower grade for the post. Filling conditions does not make the candidate to be called for interviews. The HL reserves the right to cancel the candidature of the candidate at any time. See the application format. Annexure 1, all the details, fill all the details, application number, date of the receipt. Okay. That is only for office use on the top left side. You have to paste your photo, then fill all the details below. From post applied for, on that one, you have click all, select, fill all the details from the post applied onwards. Educational qualifications, etc. Self-attested copies, Xerox copies also you have to send them along with the application format. Check that one once. Fill all the details, date, name, or details of the previous employment, total experience, whether applied for any post in HIL earlier. If so, such details also mention. Please state whether any close relative of the applicants is working in any establishment of the HIL. The minimum time required to join the post if selected, and all additional details regarding to the DD number, date drawn from the branch, etc. Have you ever been in the police custody or not? If yes, all the details, if any convicted, whether any criminal case is pending on there against you, declaration by me, and sign the signature of the candidates. On that one, you sign that your signature, date and place. Also fill all the details. Check once again before applying. Thank you, friends.